How to install pantry cabinet side panels. Pantry cabinet side panels are a simple and easy way to finish off the end of a pantry. They also can be used as spacers to aid in achieving your desired layout. Make sure to collect all required components and tools necessary prior to your installation. Start by unboxing your pantry cabinet side panel. Pantry cabinet side panels were designed for a fast and easy installation. Pantry cabinet side panels are not cut to size. Instead, they are designed with small adjustable leveling legs to work with any potential slope in your floors. Step 1. Bring the pantry side panel over to your installation area. Align the back of your side panel with the back of your pantry cabinet. Remove black protective corners and protective film prior to installing. Step 2. Check the positioning of the pantry cabinet side panel. The pantry cabinet side panel should be installed flush with the top and back of the pantry cabinet. The pantry side panel should protrude 7/8 of an inch out from the front of your cabinet. Adjust the leveling feet accordingly. Step 3. Once your side panel is positioned correctly, temporarily attach the side panel to the base cabinet using C-clamps. Step 4. From the interior of the cabinet, drill 6 pilot holes 1.5 inches from the edge and corner of the cabinet. Make sure not to drill through the side panel. Step 5. Attach the pantry cabinet side panel using the provided number 8 by 25 mm wood screws. Once again, making sure not to drill through the side panel. Remove C-clamps to complete your installation.